Welcome to our tutorial on using Generate Material IDs in the Sweep modifier to paint objects. In this tutorial, we will explore two powerful options, Section IDs and Path IDs. 1. Section IDs. When utilizing Section IDs, a unique ID is applied to create distinct sections along the swept geometry. This allows for precise control when painting different materials or textures onto specific sections of the object. We'll delve into techniques and best practices for leveraging Section IDs effectively. 2. Path IDs. By assigning path IDs to the geometry, we achieve another level of control over material application. Path IDs enable us to create unique material transitions along the path, resulting in visually appealing and dynamic appearances. Throughout this tutorial, we'll provide step-by-step instructions, practical examples, and useful tips to help you master the art of painting objects using Generate Material IDs in the Sweep modifier. Whether you're a seasoned 3D artist or just starting your journey, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and skills to create stunning and realistic materials. So, join us as we unlock the full potential of Generate Material IDs in the Sweep modifier. Get ready to elevate your object painting techniques and bring your 3D creations to life with Section IDs and Path IDs.